time. We're going to go to Johnny in Van Cleve. He's been on hold for a while. Johnny, thank you so much. What can we help you with?
Hey, Johnny.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Good, bud.
Long story short, man, I got a DUI back in like 91 or 92 in Ocean Springs. I never got caught up with. Well, I did get caught up with a couple times. You know, I'd get driving on suspended license because of a DUI or improper tag or something.
Yeah.
Well, I ended up getting arrested in 2005 or early 2006. And as a matter of fact, Mr. Mathieu, you were the judge, and I was sentenced to either do my time until, you know, my fine was up or pay my fine.
Yes, sir.
Well, I sat in jail in Ocean Springs for a month and a half or so, and then my folks finally came and paid the rest of my fine.
Okay.
Well, now I'm getting letters saying that I owe for 2 DUIs and numerous other, you know, things that I've already paid. You know, I sat in jail for that. And I was wondering, how do I go about getting the records to find out, you know, so I can take care of this? I have a wife that has seizures. I have an autistic child and an 11-year-old little boy. I'm a 24-hour a day caregiver, and I have to drive. So I need my license so I don't get any more trouble.
Oh, absolutely. Sure, Johnny. And yeah, listen, you need to take care of this, and because criminal legal matters like this, they don't get better with time; they get worse with time.
Right.
And the fines can kind of mount. I certainly know that. So what you need to do, and if you don't have a license, you need to probably. I would recommend that you get a ride. Obviously, don't drive without a license, but get a ride down to Ocean Springs City Court, probably on a Monday or Tuesday, not on a Wednesday. That's their traditional court day. That's not a good day to come. But Monday, you know, Monday, Tuesday, or Thursday. And, you know, let them pull their records, let them kind of walk through and explain it to you. You know, sometimes, honestly, with folks that come back, you know, more than one time, it gets complicated with, you know, payments and jail time and credit for jail time, things like that. But generally, they will work with you if you work with them. Okay, what bad things happen if you don't respond, don't work with them, warrants get issued, you get picked up, back in jail, and the cycle kind of continues. So what I would recommend when you have some time, hopefully, or, you know, early this week coming up, you know, go down there, you know, in person, be respectful, of course, as I know you will, and they'll pull your information and they'll kind of walk you through. They can give you a printout of every payment you made, every fine that's been levied. You can kind of see all that and kind of work through it because you're entitled to have good information, you're entitled to have it right. But, you know, everyone needs to be on the same page. And listen, you know, everybody can make mistakes. It happens on both sides. But just go sit down, talk, you know, but it's always better in person when it's complicated and when there's a little bit of a history here, much better to do it in person.
Let me say this, if he feels like maybe he's made payments and they weren't counted towards something that's a bill, I think that's where Johnny was kind of going with that too. Pull any records he can, right? Any dates, time frames.
Yeah, but let me just tell you, they are pretty darn good about logging the payments.
Well, I would think
you know, they get audited. There's a lot of money that goes through that court, and so they're pretty darn good. And so, as I say, usually what happens, Kenny, is there can be a misunderstanding when someone gets like arrested, picked up on a warrant. Usually that'll mean a contempt violation, so they may be making a payment, and maybe that payment takes care of the contempt and doesn't go to the actual fine itself.
Right.
But as I say, they can give you a running balance, so to speak, a complete list of everything you've been fined and every payment you've made, when you've made it, and how much that payment is. And that's a good place.